Twitter. Stupid. Twitter. Let me Twitter. Fucking stupid. Fucking stupid. Let me tweet this.
I can't believe you ain't on Twitter like this.
I'm not hating. I'm not.
There's like millions of people. There's billions of people on Twitter, man. You're missing out. Just because you think it's stupid. And you think the name is stupid.
That's my opinion.
Yeah,
You guys
no, you're missing out.
it's good. You guys can tweet and have people follow you and follow people up, and y'all can do all that. Be up in people's assholes and all that.
I know you got favorite singers. I know you got favorite rappers, athletes, friends. You even got friends. I know you got friends that have Twitter.
But I don't follow
You
them.
follow your friends.
No. Why the fuck I need to follow my friends for? I see him at school. I'm not gonna follow him.
You don't see them outside of school.
Oh, I'm not gonna follow him. I don't see him on the computer either.
How do you know when we're taking a shit or making a
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't need to know my daily shit. If your information, I take one every day just in case you want to know. Every morning before I come to school.
I'll text you and ask what you
All you have to do is text me. You don't have to just be like, oh. Just for all the people. Oh, let me put my pound. Let me put my pound on the side so everybody will know. Put my shift pound. Oh, taking the shit. Everybody know I'm taking shit.
If you put a pound sign, you can click on it and it shows everybody that's ever said
Like
that.
right there.
So if you put like, I love bacon or something, you put a pound sign for it, it says it shows everybody that ever tweeted I love bacon.
That's tight.
It's fucking stupid.
And then that one's clear missing. That 1-800.